So Bruce, what do you think of the airplane?
Well, you know what? It makes me. I'm nostalgic. The last time I flew one of these was getting on for nearly. It'll soon be 7 years. You know, since I flew one of these. Fascinating. You know, and obviously I've never seen an airplane that's not semi-EFIS, but the semi-EFIS is all kind of there. So similar setup. Really cool. They did a great job putting it back together. It's really looking nice, clean airplane, and good luck. Enjoy flying it. It's I think it's perfect for what you need. Good luck flying her. She's terrific. I could probably still just about fly in ILS. I'm not sure about anything else.
I'm up in Edmonton right now. We were completely evacuated from the Northwest Territories for fire. We got Electras leaving Edmonton here today. We got the firefighting Electras. We got our second freight Electra. So this thing right behind me, we're being 12, 13-hour days getting it all ready.
I want to be the filmer.
Okay, grab the camera.
Film Uncle Mikey.
Go show Robin. Where's Robin? Go find Robin.
Is it on video?
This is on YouTube.
Live?
Hey Robin, what do you think about the airplane?
I think it's pretty awesome. What do you guys think?
I'm Ryder, my dad's Kenny, and my dad's uncle's Mikey, of course, and he's our great uncle, so yeah.
Here we are, everybody. This is the first Buffalo Airways flight in the 737 CFBAE. This is Bay. She's ready to go. This thing ready. I'm so excited. We're here at the North Caribou hangar. This is going to be awesome. So Patrick, where are we going?
We're going to the service road. Go check it out, takeoff, runway 20.
001 source contact departure 133.65 Wynn Airport. Wind is 310 at 12:15:20. Clear takeoff runway 20.
Clear for takeoff 20, contact departure 1 Airport, Buffalo 001.
The sunset. Yeah, look how it goes up pretty quick, eh? What do you think, Dale?
Excellent. Let's get the car in front when he gets back, though. We should have taken off on the barrel wall. Just to show off. See how long the Dash 7 takes to take off. It should be.
Look at the airplane right now and in the sky, so it's really, I don't know how to say in English right now. I forgot the words, but I'm really happy, and we'll see when they come back. I hope everything is good, everything will be okay, and everything will be ready so for you to make money, man.
It's a crisp Thursday morning here in Yellowknife, and it's a big day. Our 737's coming in. I don't know if you can see it. That's not a star. That is the 37, and it's coming in right now. Super excited. First trip into Yellowknife. So, Sandy, tell me what you're thinking.
Long time coming, man. It's exciting. Yeah. It's really exciting.
Stella, what you think? Where is it?
Landing right now. Very excited.
Nice to meet you, Rick. The new toys here, you forget about everything else.
What do you think, Chucky?
Pretty wild looking in today.
Brian, how was his first day?
Good, 100%. Really good, actually.
What do you think, Rod?
Well, it's pretty good. Just the pilots hook on, bring them in the hangar. It's just like the old days when you got a new plane.
Chucky?
Yeah.